Good morning, everybody. This is Greg from Elk Farmstead. I'm driving down the road today, and I see some elk. And what the hell is that got on its head? It's got some twine or something on its head. You see that? See that one? There's something on its head. Well, there's some elk out here. I guess they're elk. They look like elk. I don't know. But it's got a bag or something on its head. See it? It lives in this place. Pretty cool. There's a herd of them. I think they're elk. I don't know. But that sucks with a bag on its head. It's on a back road. Oh. Pretty cool. It's in the little back road. There's some elk here in this farm. Huh. There's some more way back there. Way back there. Oh, look at this one's got horns. Antlers. Kind of hard to hold it steady. Look at them. This is pretty cool. But I'm sorry for that one that's got a bag or something, or netting or something on his head. Looks like a snow fence. Well, probably a snow fence. This is pretty cool. Hope nobody minds me doing this. Look at them. I think they're elk. Really do. Look at the size of these things. They're looking at me. When you drive around, look at them go, look at them go. That's an elk. Wow. There's another one with antlers. Another one with antlers. There's more way out in the woods over there. Well, I feel sorry for that one. It's got a thing on it, a bag on its head, a net. You can't see. It's coming over this way. Look at that. It must be irritating the hell out of that. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Somebody maintains them, so they must know, so I'm not going to say anything. I don't know what it is. Looks like a snow fence or something. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Look at them run. Look at them. Yeah, that must bother them. Yeah, well, I can help you, I would. But it's got probably a 10-foot fence here. This is so cool. This is Greg from Elk Farmstead. You like my videos? Yeah, shit, switch hands. I hurt that arm. Zooming in, it's tough. All right, thank you.